subscribe, support, stay positive. Hello YouTube, it's me Tommy NC 2010, and I'm driving down to go get my garbage cans right now. It's very snowy right now, and this is what my face looks like right now. I'm trying to go down and get my garbage cans on my Polaris 4-wheeler, and it is very snowy. It's flaking right now. I'll tell you what, garbage people don't get here in time, I'm gonna be ticked off. There's my garbage cans. Yes, I throw garbage away, and I'm proud of it. I'm proud to throw garbage away. And hey, the garbage has been thrown away! The garbage has been thrown away! It's cold out here! Ah! Yeah, I got the garbage can, and I'm taking it, and I'm excited about it. I'm very excited. There's a garbage can! The garbage can! Yeah! Ooh, look at that! I'm gonna end this video and do another video. How about that for you folks? Keeping you on the inside scoop. Keeping you on the inside scoop.